Co-sleeping is often a conversation we shy away from in the Western world. It's as if it's a taboo subject. However, I believe that every new and expecting parent needs to be made aware of safe co-sleeping practices, because if we look at the SIDS numbers, so 50% of those deaths are caused when the baby is sleeping on their own. However, 50% of those are when the baby is co-sleeping. But when we dive into that 50%, 90% of those deaths are due to hazardous or preventable conditions. So what does this tell us? It tells us that there's a huge gap in knowledge when it comes to safe co-sleeping practices, because really, unless you're intentionally wanting to co-sleep with your kids, then why are you going to research safe co-sleeping practices? Let's take an example. You come home tired and exhausted from a long day at work, and you pick your baby up and you lay with them on the sofa. It's very dark, the TV's on, and you feel very sleepy, potentially drifting off to sleep. What you're doing there is you're unintentionally placing your baby in a very dangerous and hazardous co-sleeping situation. But because you haven't intentionally chosen to co-sleep with your kids, you're unaware of this because you haven't researched safe co-sleeping practices. If you want to learn more, I dive into all of this in my latest YouTube video, which gives an honest account of 7 years of my wife and I co-sleeping with our kids. So hit the link in my bio to watch that video and learn more.